Hey guys, let me tell you what have we done so far in respect to our products. And today, Stobox not only runs, develops and runs and services and sells and provides, and again, 60 businesses that are looking to be tokenized actually rely on our products one way or another. And the businesses that have been already tokenized and are live actually are built on the software and on the solutions that we and our team, Stobox, Stobox.io, have developed within the last 5 years. And we're talking about three major products. Our leading product is DS Dashboard. DS stands for Digital Securities Dashboard. And what it is, it's a SaaS, it's a software as a service, which means that that's a white label solution. We're gonna give it to you, right, to your business. You're gonna put your logo on, you're gonna bring your assets on, and you're gonna bring your investors and manage the relationship there. We take this software, we build this software, beautifully done, Web3, non-custodial. We don't hold other people's money, we don't hold funds, we don't remember keys, nothing. You're gonna use this technology to leverage your business globally. You're gonna bring your investors via the dashboard, and you're gonna tokenize your assets via the dashboard. You're gonna manage everything relationship within your investors in the dashboard. You're gonna pay dividends in the dashboard. You're gonna everything you're gonna do in the dashboard. So, dashboard is the software as a service solution for companies, private companies that would like to tokenize. That's the first. Second is something which is called SBID or Stobox ID or Soulbound ID. That's a digital identity technology that actually mints or whitelists your blockchain addresses that allow a seamless access to that decentralized web and tokenized assets. Again, as I said before, tokenization is not about anonymity. It's about compliance. Compliance with the laws and regulations, and it's about companies. It's about physical assets that have to belong to people. So, in order to mainstream this business, to mainstream the technology of tokenization, we have built a side-owned project. It's called SBID.io, where any investor can go in, pass KYC, we have providers of the KYC, our partners, and then once it's done, the technology would mint a special token, right? We're not gonna into the details and peculiarities of the technology, but your address, your blockchain address will be whitelisted, right? It will have your hidden name and your hidden credentials hashed and stored in that specific token on your wallet. You can't do much with this. It's not for sale. It's your personal hashed identity there. By using this wallet, you will be able to actually move around the compliance internets, move around different businesses that have been tokenized, and basically seamlessly, the way you work with crypto, some of you work with crypto the same way you're gonna do with digital assets, not pass KYC 100 times. Pass it once, and then it provides you access to every business that Stobox has tokenized. Yes, and last but not the least is the ability to actually trade those assets, right? And the product that we have developed, especially for trading security tokens or RWAs, is called DSwap, Stobox DSwap. This technology actually allows people to swap tokens, right? So for the stable coins, right? Or for the other assets. So we've built the technology that would allow your real estate, your business assets, your business security tokens, to be swapped, right, or exchanged. You don't have to go to Nasdaq, you don't have to go to London Stock Exchange, you're not gonna pay millions of dollars and be public. It's not worth doing if you're talking about a small local project, right? You're not aiming to go for IPOs, you're not hiring tier one legal companies to assist you, right? So you're small or medium enterprise, you're not looking to become a public company, but you would like actually to leverage trading and your assets to be traded, your privately owned securities, securities of your hotel, of your business, of your whatever, name it. And we have developed the technology that actually allows to do so. It's a fully decentralized technology. Once we have two assets on the chain, right, on the blockchain, which is a security token on the one side, and there's a stable coin like USDT, USDC, there's many of them. There's a stable coins that attach to a dollar. This is a token, this is a token. We know how we can swap these tokens in your iPhone, in any of these beautiful technologies today. And again, think of this. If you tokenize your business or you invest into tokenized business, how is that different from the traditional behavior of you as an investor? You don't have to fly somewhere to buy an apartment in order to sell that apartment later on, right? You don't have to physically move. You just know that there's a business, right, that actually had put this apartment for rent, and the ownership of these apartments are given in the form of security tokens. So instead of investing your money into local bank, instead of investing money, name it, you have a chance of buying a part of the, let's say, an apartment in Dubai, right? Probably you don't have $3 million just to pay a down payment and then lease it out and enjoy your monthly payments. If you're not that rich, right, it's quite difficult for you, but you want to do so, right? And tokenization unlocks here. So instead of having a one apartment, for example, in Dubai, $3 million, which you cannot afford, we can have million tokens worth of $3 of everybody can afford to do so. And this is, again, this is the idea behind tokenization, of taking something big, something heavy, costly, inefficient, and to move it on the blockchain and actually for this to become effective, efficient, cheaper, and accessible for the millions or billions even people around the globe. We see how technology penetrates the globe. We see how crypto is getting adopted. We see how many people are unbanked, right? 2024, we're talking about 1.3, 1.5 billions people unbanked. So crypto is the technology for them to get into the financial markets, right? They don't have banks, but they can access financial markets. And what are they gonna access? They're gonna access opportunities that actually are on the market. And the real estate or startups or debt securities, a lot of private business securities could be of the choice for them. They could now look, so again, imagine you're a small company sitting somewhere in Europe or in US, and you have YouTube, you have Twitter, and you have Stobox. And you have a bright idea, perfect business for your friends and family, and you want to scale. How are you going to scale? You're going to scale using all these technologies. You're going to tokenize, right? Go online. If your business is interesting, if your business is valid, if your business is bringing money, that won't be a problem for you to actually fundraise or to promote your security tokens, right, in a compliant manner for the people around the globe. Again, with certain assumptions and with certain respect to the legislation, because it's not a chaos, it's not just a typical crypto as it was back in 2017 and before. It's a very compliant procedures, but again, we know exactly what are the problems, what are the constraints, what are the issues, what are the pitfalls, and with Stobox you can have this solved.